When it was new, nuclear energy was the most efficient source of energy known. People were skeptical, knowing there was a large amount of radiation produced in this process.
People used to live here. Now it's a ghost town.
Before the Chernobyl incident, everything seemed to be going much better than expected.
But then, disaster. The unthinkable happened. One of the reactors started to go supercritical, overheating to the point of catastrophic failure.
During a systems test on Saturday, 26th of April, 1986, Reactor 4 suffered a sudden power surge. When they tried an emergency shutdown, a more extreme power surge caused a reactor vessel to rupture. This exposed a graphite moderator which caused it to react with the air igniting it.
A highly radioactive plume of smoke, or fallout, was sent into the air. This was a very dangerous hazard. It caused cancer just by breathing. The smoke spread very easily to a wide area of nearly 63,000 square miles.
Volunteers aiding in evacuation efforts wore biohazard suits. They distributed gas masks, but many just dropped them in the commotion.
People had to leave quickly. Many of their belongings were left behind. Over 350,000 people had to be evacuated between 1986 and 2000.
Many people were exposed to the radiation. For a large number, it caused cancer, like leukemia. Few victims were unaffected, but their children may have developed strange deformities.
The total estimated deaths from the Chernobyl incident is estimated to be around 4,000. The total number of people affected is estimated at 500,000. Now Chernobyl is abandoned. Radiation levels are still so high, the region will be uninhabitable for hundreds of years.
Today, the area around Chernobyl is used as a junkyard for old military vehicles. Is nuclear energy worth the risk? Well, 1 kilogram of uranium fuel produces around 24.5 million kilowatts, or enough to power about 4,083 homes. Compare that to gasoline's 13 kilowatts per kilogram.
As for efficiency, total annual waste for petroleum amounts to over 300,000 tons. Nuclear waste yields 27 tons per year. So is it worth it? The Chernobyl incident stands as evidence that when it's done wrong, it can be catastrophic, but when it's done right, it can be extremely beneficial.